Do you have oily skin? Do you have combination skin? Would you like your makeup to last the whole day? So if you're going to work or to school and you want your makeup to last? Well, hello beautiful people. My name is Mamushi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. In this video, I will show you 6 easy steps to achieve a long-lasting makeup for the day. So if you're interested to know how to achieve this matte makeup look, then please keep on watching. Thank you. This is not necessarily only for oily combination skin. It's also if you want to make your makeup last the whole day. It's because we're using quite a few, a little bit of powder. Maybe if you have normal to dry skin, you can skip that part. But let's go to step number 1. So step number 1, I have this RIMMEL matte primer. There's some foundation all over it. That means I overuse it, that's fine. And I'll also be using the Benefit Pore-fessional primer. First, what I like to do is apply the primer. So everything in moderation, guys. Don't put it too much of everything. And if you're wearing a scarf, try not to apply makeup on your scarf. Blend it in. At this point, I've already done my skincare routine, done my moisturizer, sunscreen, everything, and I've waited a few minutes, maybe half an hour, and move on to primer. Second primer, I will just focus the silicone based primer on my T-zone. That's where I tend to get very oily, and just blend it out. So I'm planning to go out, so when I come back I'll do my first check-in, and then a few hours later I'll do my third check-in and see how it goes. I have tried this technique before when I'm going to work, and I'm quite actually impressed with it. I have seen a few beauty influencers doing this type of steps, but I have tweaked it a little bit to suit my type of skin and routine as well. I'm gonna apply a little bit of primer on my eyes since I'm not gonna be wearing any shadows. Just rub it into your skin gently. Again, in moderation. Step number 2, I'm gonna be taking my NYX's Dewy Finish setting spray and spray it all over my face. Then I'm gonna take my makeup sponge and just pat in that setting spray. Make sure it's dry. So once your setting spray has dried, we move on to step number 3, and this is the NIKKIA Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder. I'm going to take my powder brush and apply a little bit of powder around my face. So I will take it like this much, tap, and then just gently place it on your T-zone. And I'm placing it a little bit on my brows because that's where I tend to get oily as well. My naughty brows. So you don't need that much at this point, just a little bit of powder to set everything. At this point, your face should be looking matte already, and now we can move on to step number 4. Step number 4 is foundation and concealer. For foundation, I'm using the NYX's Born to Glow foundation, and for concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting concealer. I love this foundation because it gives this beautiful glow and it lasts the whole day. If I had to choose between this and the Don't Stop Won't Stop foundation, I would prefer this, honestly. I love it. So I take a little bit of the foundation. Don't put too much, just a little bit. Like just pea size. Now take my makeup sponge and apply the foundation as normal. All over the face. Foundation done. Now to the concealer. Under the eye, under the eyes, both. My nose, a little bit of my chin. My nose to get rid of the redness. My eyelid just a little bit. And on my forehead. It's not that much. And this goes a long way as well. Take my sponge and blend out the concealer. See, a little bit goes a long way. So concealer is done. Step number 5. We'll go back to the setting spray. Now for step number 5, I prefer to spray this makeup sponge, the back of the makeup sponge, and then apply it on the face. Just to set everything. You know, when you use a setting spray, sometimes the drops, they form like a round shape and ruins the whole makeup. So when you spray the setting spray to the makeup sponge directly and then do this, there is no damage to your makeup. And last and final step, step number 6, powder again. So this time I'll apply the powder with my makeup sponge. I'll use this side. I haven't used this side yet. Why use 10 makeup sponge when you can use different sides of the same makeup sponge, right? Less for you to wash later. So what I do is I pick up the powder. Again, I don't apply so much. I'm not gonna bake or anything. Just apply it under your eye and all over your T-zone. On my eyelid, on my brows, on my laugh lines, on my chin, forehead, everywhere. And then I'll just brush off the excess. And that's it. Those are the 6 steps. I'm gonna go now and apply the rest of my makeup off camera, and I will come back and show you my final look, and we'll take it from there. But before I do that, I just want to zoom you in and show you how it looks. This is a close-up of my face. Hi, hello, hello. And that's how the makeup is looking. Very matte. I like it. It's not bad. So I will go now and apply the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. So you can see I am going out. So let me zoom you in. Have some highlighter on, eyeliner, mascara, just some basic stuff. It is 10:15ish right now, and maybe I'll be back sometime in the afternoon. I will do the first check-in, but so far it took me a little less than half an hour to do this makeup, and still matte. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hello everyone, so I am back and it is now 3:56 p.m. and this is how my face is looking right now. A little bit shiny, but still with no makeup budging. Let me zoom you in. So I do have some build-up here on my laugh lines, there on this side, and a little bit under my eyes. But that's about it. A little bit of shine, which is normal. This is something that is easily remedied, so I'll take some tissue and just blot under my eye, on my laugh lines, and on my forehead. And voila, good as new again. I will do another check-in in 2 hours. That will be 6 p.m. and that will be my final check-in, and then I'd like to hear your verdict. What do you think? So see you in 2. Hello beautiful people. So it's 6:07 p.m. and this is my final check-in, or second to final. Yeah, final check-in, and this is how my face is looking. Zoom you in. I'm pretty happy with it. So I didn't do anything in the last 2 hours. The blotting, I did it at 4, and the only thing shiny right now a little bit is my nose. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how things turned out. So let me know what you think, if you would try this, or if there's something else I could have done to challenge the makeup look. Also, let's take a few seconds just to revive the look. So taking tissue again, you can take blotting papers and just blot out gently. And I forgot to mention earlier, when I went out I was wearing a mask as well. And back again. I'm really happy. I've been struggling a long time to finding the perfect long-lasting matte look, especially when you go into the office and you don't have time to reapply or focus on your makeup. So I'm very happy with this. So please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and in the meantime subscribe as well if you haven't subscribed, and like this video. And remember, don't hate, meditate. Thank you. Bye bye.